Your steel piping system is constantly creating a slurry of fine and sometimes coarse magnetic particles. These particles are the orangish brown to black water you see when you open your pipes to service a component. They constantly recirculate until they pass through an area of low flow. The slow velocity gives the sludge time to settle and accumulate, most likely in your heat exchanger or boiler's tube bundles. This energy-robbing sludge is bad enough. But now, the introduction of the high-efficiency ECM pumps with their huge magnets has exposed a new set of problems. The magnetic particles that previously just zoomed through the pump are now being pulled towards the ECM magnets, with a force like that of the tractor beams from the old Star Wars movies. However, this fictional tractor beam is very real. In wet rotor pumps, they jam in the can, causing the pump to seize. In the larger pumps, the magnet pulls these extremely abrasive particles towards the pump shaft seal. As the tractor beam collects them, it causes premature seal wear and failures.
You're going to need an offsetting tractor beam, the LPD Mag Y Strainer. The best Y strainer available is that bigger, better tractor beam. This extremely efficient Y strainer is now upgraded with neodymium rare earth magnets, the strongest permanent magnets available.
Every circulation of your system through the LPD mag will capture a known percentage of the particles based on the magnet strength, the diameter of the event horizon, and the volume of the water. Using the formula for exponential decay, we can predict how quickly the LPD mag will capture particles. For instance, testing on our 3-inch LPD mag has shown it can capture 42% of the particles on the first pass. After only 5 passes, 92% of the particles have been captured. A typical system may see hundreds of passes in one day. This is why a newly installed LPD mag should be blown down frequently in the first few days. The neodymium magnet inside the LPD mag is positioned directly in the flow, capturing particles as they pass. The body of the LPD mag was uniquely designed with a low-velocity collection vortex area. Here, particles with very little mass recirculate several times, enhancing the capture rate. After a period of operation, the magnet is partially pulled out of its dry well. The particles track with the magnet to the blowdown valve. Open the valve, pull the remaining magnet clear of the dry well, and the particles are flushed out of the system. Close the valve, reinsert the magnet, and the tractor beam begins working again, constantly improving and protecting your system. Contact Metraflex, our website, or your local rep for detailed information. Thanks for watching.